Hi everyone, today I've got a sandwich which is quite nice. It's called a Mumbai Toastie and very famous in Mumbai, and it's also finding its way onto a lot of menus here in the UK. So I thought I'd show you how to do it. Not too difficult, just like putting a sandwich together, but there's some different things in it. I'm gonna make two today because cameraman Connor wants to have some too. So we're gonna make two. Anyway, what I've got here, this is coriander and a little bit of garlic and some lime juice and a little tiny bit of oil, a couple chili peppers. It just ground up until smooth. We're just gonna put that on all the pieces. So really, if you're looking at my cookbook, any of the coriander chutneys will do really. You could even put yogurt in it if you wanted to, but usually on these sandwiches it doesn't have the yogurt, it just has the base of the herbs and garlic and chili. Okay, and on top of that, I'm going to put a nice scoop of masala potatoes. And I showed how to do this in my masala dosa recipe, so just look at that right there, and quite simple and straightforward as well. So we're just going to put that there, and a little bit on this piece. All right. And then we're going to add some tomato. And you know what? I didn't cut enough tomato, so I'm going to cut some more. There we are. A couple pieces of tomato, a couple of red peppers on each, and some cucumber. So it's quite a healthy sandwich for you, really. Toss that down. There we are. And some onions. It's a big one. It's a big sandwich. And then every Mumbai toastie needs a good couple pieces of cheese on it. So we're going to put those on there too. Mustard, Dijon mustard like I've got here, isn't on Mumbai toasties, but it goes on mine because I like it. And if you like something, you may as well put it on there. Just to give it a little bit more sauce, I'm going to give it a little bit more of this green chutney on there. There we are. And we're just going to press these down. I don't normally eat white bread. I usually eat the brown stuff. But on Mumbai toastie, it's got to be white. Try and smash that down some. All right, I'm just going to open up the sandwich machine there, and we're going to let that butter melt some. Mumbai toasties need lots of butter, so and that butter, let just soak it right up, and then we'll turn it over. Do the same for this side. Dip it in. There we are. And we're just going to toast those now. Now, of course, you can do this in a pan if you want to. It's up to you. I got a sandwich maker, so I do it on my sandwich maker. Aren't any rules with it. But that just needs to cook until they're brown on both sides. So we'll just let those cook there for a while. And when they're done, we'll bring you on back and you can see what it's like. All right, so I believe these are about ready now. Look at that, all right. Got a nice one there. Another gorgeous one there. take these now. I like how the green chutney comes through the bread. It's really crispy and nice. Look at that. All right. And it looks like we're about ready to have ourselves a little feast. I'm going to have to give one of these a try, of course. Wow. Mmm. 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 This is really good. Mmm. I'm glad I made that. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you subscribe to my channel. There's lots more videos to come.